If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To customize the settings for the rows and columns in a report in QuickBooks Online if using the classic view, click the Rows/Columns Sections label to expand that section. Alternatively, to customize the settings for the rows and columns in a report in QuickBooks Online if using the Modern view, click the Display button within Summary Reports or the Columns button in Detail Reports in the Reports Customization section to open either the Display or Columns pane. The settings change based on the type of report you are customizing. However, many settings that appear here are shared by multiple reports. To add columns to the report by which to view the totals for each row in summary reports that show an aggregation of values, or totals, select a choice from the Columns dropdown in the Classic view or the Display Columns By dropdown within the Display pane in the Modern view. To select which columns and rows to show, based on account activity or non-zero amounts if using the Classic view, click the Show Non-Zero or Active Only dropdown. Alternatively, to select which columns and rows to show based on account activity or non-zero amounts if using the Modern view, click the General Options button in the Report Customization section. Then click the Show Non-Zero or Active section in the General Options pane that appears. In either location, then choose either the Active, All, or Non-Zero option button for the Show Rows and Show Columns settings. To change the comparison time period columns and comparison calculation values in a summary report if using the Classic view, click the Change Columns link to expand that section. Alternatively, to change the comparison time period columns and comparison calculation values in a summary report if using the Modern view, click the Compare button in the Report Customization area. To add or remove columns for previous time period comparisons in either location for both the Classic view and the Modern view, then check or uncheck the Time Period checkboxes. To then also add columns showing the change in dollar amounts or percentages between the selected time periods, if you check one of the Time Period checkboxes, check the desired checkboxes for those too. If available, to add columns showing the percentage each row or column contributes to the total, check the associated checkboxes for those too. Separately, to change detail grouping options if customizing a detail report that allows detail grouping, like the transaction detail by account report, and if using the Classic view, select a choice from the Group By dropdown under the Rows/Columns section of the Customize Report pane. Alternatively, to group detailed data for reports that let you group the detailed data, like the transaction detail by account report if using the Modern view, click the Group By button in the Report Customization section, and then select a choice from the Group By dropdown in the Group By pane. To change the columns shown in a detail report if customizing a detail report in the classic view, click the Change Columns link under the Rows Columns section of the Customize Report pane. Alternatively, to change the columns shown in a detail report if using the modern view, click the Columns button in the Report Customization area. In either view, the list of checkboxes that then appears shows the available report columns. Checked checkboxes that appear above the dividing line currently appear in the report. Unchecked checkboxes that appear below the dividing line do not. To change which columns appear in the report, check an unchecked checkbox for the column name to add shown below the dividing line to check it and move it above the dividing line. To remove a column from the report, uncheck a checked checkbox for the column to remove, which appears above the dividing line, to move it back below the dividing line. To reorder the report columns in the report, click and drag up or down on the icon to the left of the column name to move in the section above the dividing line. Then release it when the column is in the desired position. The order the column names appear from top to bottom in this list is the order they appear from left to right in the report. To reset the report's columns after changing them if using the classic view, click the Reset to Default link in this section's upper right corner. Resetting report columns is not yet available in the modern view. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.